Hello, good evening and welcome to the Canton Liberal Club in Cardiff for the FAW Trophy Round 1 draw. I'm delighted to be joined this evening for the draw by John Harris, the Chairman of the Domestic Committee of the FAW, and on my right, Mr. Phil Woosnam, the Vice Chairman of the International Committee. There's 26 balls to be drawn out for the FAW Trophy Round 1 draw, and the home club will be drawn by John Harris. That's Ustrad Gunlice.
23.
And that's STM Sports Old Boys.
22.
Is Stanley Town.
3.
And that's Canton Liberal Club.
Number 7.
CRC Rangers.
16.
We'll play Mardy.
12.
Is Garu.
15.
And they'll play Malpas United.
24.
Is Tom Gwynlice.
Number 2.
And they will play Blenheim Ice.
18.
Is Penrukaiba Constitutional.
8.
And they'll play Craiger.
Number 9.
Is Dinas Powys Athletic, who've entered for the first time.
20.
And they'll play at home to RTB Ebbw Vale.
17.
Is Nelson Cavaliers.
25.
And they'll play another new entrant, West of Julians.
13.
L&G Cosmos.
14.
And they'll play Merdy Social.
21.
21 is Splot Albion.
Number 5.
And they'll play Cardiff Hibernian in a capital city derby.
19.
Is Roxburgh
6.
against Kevin Forest.
Number 1.
Is Abercunnan.
10.
And they'll play Dynamo Aber, who also enter for the first time.
Number 4.
That's Canton Rangers, another side local to here.
11.
And they will play FC Tredegar. And that concludes the first round draw of the FAW Trophy.